Namaste. Good evening, everyone. Hello, namaste. So let's start today's workshop. Join your hands, close your eyes. Release your stress, pain, just relax. Always meditate your body before yoga. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We'll say Om 3 times very slowly. Inhale first. Inhale. Eyes remain closed. Feel the sound from your navel to crown of head. Relax yourself. Feel the vibration. Relax. Release. Om, A, U, Ma. Combine this three word properly. A 50%, 30%, and 20%. This three sound is really, really good. This vibration start from your navel to crown of head. This is very important. It calms your mind. It release your all stress. It make us more positive towards life. Very important. It spread love, happiness, peace, serenity. So please chant Om before sleep, which is really good. It will help you. Sound meditation is very important. Sound frequency. Either you are singing a song or doing humming kriya. It is very good. It relax our cells. It relax our organ. It is excellent kriya. Do this before your sleep. Very good. People are raising hand. Will answer you all after the session. So please concentrate. Please stay focused, which is very important. The key of beauty, key of happiness. Okay. We need to stay focused. Yoga is all about to stay focused, and how you going to stay focused is all about awareness. Whatever you're doing, eating, sleeping, talking, drinking, always it should be mindful. Mindful eating, mindful sleeping. It should be always mindful. Now let's start today's workshop. So first, I'm going to teach you today a beautiful warm-up, which is excellent to increase blood circulation, especially in this area. Today I tried and you can see my face. It is super glowing. It is excellent. Weekly twice you can do it. It is really, really good with the sound and with your movement, hand movement. It is excellent. It is the best warm-up, best kriya for cleansing. Let's do this afterward. Afterward, we are doing kriyas, then our asanas. Kriyas are also very important. We'll do. First, start with this warm-up. This is really good kriya for your face. Warm-up is very important. Even we do breathing exercises, let's do, we'll talk more. Okay, how you're going to do it? Now, the sound ma. Relax, relax. Close your eyes. This is very good warm up with sound, excellent for anti-aging. It relaxes your facial muscle and the sound is very, very good for the cleansing. Let's do it. Mm, mm. Last time. Push it more inside with the sound. Very, very good for the stimulation, for the blood flow. It is very good Kriya with the sound. I did today with my Surya Namaskar, this Kriya. It is really good. People, they used to ask me when we should do yoga, face yoga, anytime. Make sure your stomach is light. Anytime you can do face yoga, but doing with me is the best time because I'm able to explain you properly. And with your Surya Namaskar also, with your exercises also, we can do face yoga. Today I did Surya Namaskar with my balloon pose, which is really good. My body is very much stretched. It is Surya Namaskar are very good, specially designed for your body. And do poses also. We can do poses. We can enjoy everything. Okay, now I'm talking about breathing exercises. Breathing exercises are excellent to increase lung capacity, especially in this pandemic. Every day we are going to spare 10 minutes for breathing exercises. Really good breathing exercises, very good for your immune, very good for your respiratory system, very good for relaxing your mind, very good for stimulating your nervous system. Let's do breathing exercises. Sit straight. First, we are going to start with Kapalbhati. Always sit straight. Keep your palms facing downward. You can sit in Vajrasana if you are advanced practitioner, folded leg, or same like me, I'm sitting in my sofa asana. Anyway, however you are comfortable, but please make sure you are sitting straight. Okay, now keep your palm on the knees, facing downward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sharply exhalation. Navel pulling back to the spine. Let's do it. We are going to do it for 10 counts, 3 rounds. Inhale. Release. Inhale. Relax. Let's shine together with Kapalbhati. Last count. Inhale. Relax. Palm facing upward. Relax yourself. sense of calmness, serenity, peace, happiness. So this is our Kapal Bhati. Kapal means skull, Bhati means shining. Always shine with Kapal Bhati. This is a very good exercise for your abdomen also. Please do Kapal Bhati every day. Do it slowly because I want you to understand first what is breathing exercises, and for understanding you need to do it slowly and learn properly every breathing exercise. It is very good. There are many benefits of breathing exercise in for your physical, mental, spiritual, for everything. It is really, really good, and that will surely help you, especially in this pandemic. So please do breathing exercises every day. Now the second kriya, today we are going to do Bhastrika Kriya. Excellent kriya for your immune system, excellent kriya for increasing the capacity of your lung, very good for the relaxation, very good for sleep too. Let's do it, but we are going to do it, we are doing it slowly. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. While inhalation, fill your lungs properly. Exhale, stomach will go more inside. Exhalation is very important. It clears all the bad toxins from your body. Let's do a little fast. Start. Relax. Little jerk to your lungs. That is really good. It relaxes your entire nervous system. Beautiful exercise, beautiful kriya. We should do every day Bhastrika Kriya. Inhale, expand your chest properly. Exhale, your stomach will go more inside. Do kriyas properly. Let's do this. Let's complete the round. Closer. Close to your lungs. Inhale. If you want, we can open your, whenever you go up, open your fist. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do it really fast. Relax. I can feel my body is relaxed. This is excellent kriya, but please do it slowly. Let's do it again. Last time, last just 5 count. Inhale, exhale. Let's do it fast. Relax. Release. Always stay happy with breathing exercises. Breathing exercises is really good. Try to do it every day. And this is very easy sequence, and very easy sequence we are doing with Kapal Bhati, Bhastrika. You can do Mahakriya also before your food. That is also an excellent Kriya. Very good to activate your pancreas too. Now we are doing third kriya, which we call blow kriya. Blow kriya is also very good. In blow kriya, you're filling up your breath. You're just filling up and exhale. Fill up your lungs and exhale. Exhale, help to clear all the toxins from your body, all the bad toxins. Let's do it. Blow kriya. Fill more deeper. Exhale. Inhale. More deeper. More. Let's do it again. We are going to complete the round. Relax. Palm facing upward. Relax yourself. Beginning to end, breathing is joining to us. Breathing is very important. Your mind and body is connected with your breath. Breathing will help you to expand your age. Breathing will help you to fight with this enemy. So please, you are going to do breathing exercises. Do this kriya, this increase the capacity of your lung. Now we are using 30%, but do increase it and gradually, and you can see the changes. If you are doing breathing exercises every day, in 10 days we can feel the changes. Now also I'm feeling, after this 4 kriyas, I'm feeling very, very relaxed. It energizes your body. It is very good. It is really good to increase the intake of blood and oxygen in our body, which is really good. Now, let's do Mahakriya, because I'm talking about Mahakriya. We should not miss our Mahakriya too. Let's do Mahakriya. In Mahakriya, I'll go more closer. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale forcefully. Forehead down. Come on. A very good Kriya, Mahakriya. You are going to do Mahakriya before your food. If you are overweighted, twice a day. Otherwise, once we can do before food, 10 minutes before. This is the best Kriya for detoxification. Very, very good to activate your pancreas. Very good to control diabetes, BP, thyroid. So one-stop solution. You are going to do Mahakriya every day. Now let's start exercises. We'll take some water. Let's start with, I'm feeling thirsty also. Let's have some water. So we are doing water pose. We are going to start it with water pose. Relax. Very good water poses are very good to maintain your oral hygiene. Excellent for digestion too. There are many benefits of water exercises. Very good. It helps to reduce migraine, headache. Very good for the cleansing. You'll get a beautiful skin with water poses. We did yesterday 3 poses. If possible, try to do every day 1 pose. For 3 times, 10 seconds, gradually you can increase it. And morning, the first thing, how you're going to, we usually, what we do, we do face wash. So morning, you're not going to apply any face wash, any cleanser, because natural oil is produced. You are going to wash your face with water. And how you're going to wash your face? Fill your mouth with water. This is the proper way of doing face wash. So morning, please do wash your face like this. It is excellent for the blood circulation, very good for the glowing, very good for to reduce puffiness too. So now let's start exercises. First exercise, we'll do balloon hold release pose, which is very, very good to control double chin. Let's do it. Make a balloon. Release. Hold and release. Push air more up. Why I'm holding this. This is important point. This is very good acupressure point for anti-aging for your face. It helps to control your age. There are beautiful acupoints for your face. It is really good to control sinus also. This is very, very good exercise. Let's do it again. Every exercise you are going to do for 3 times for the best result. Let's do this. Always, whenever you are doing massage, light pressure, whenever we are doing acupressure, medium pressure, no hard pressure, no kuch bhi aapko nahi karna. Always light, make sure about it. Let's do this balloon hold and release. This is excellent for lifting your facial fat up. Let's do it. You're going to hold here. This is also a very good point. Relax. Let's complete the round. If anyone have acne, you can hold more also. Let's do it. We are going to hold 5 seconds. Relax. Light massage. If we press like this, we can feel the pain, but you need to do with your fingertips. And this exercise, which I told you today, is excellent for the blood circulation. In this, whenever you're making balloon, we won't get any pain. Excellent exercise, a very good stretch for our face. So if you want some relaxation, you can do this also. And do every asan, we should do it properly, nicely, happily. So do asan for your healthier skin. Okay, now let's do my favorite pose, kiss the sky. It is excellent to reduce the double chin, and we are spreading love with this exercise. Look up, uh, make a kiss, hold it, make a pout, hold it properly, and release. Hold. Okay. Kiss the sky. This is excellent to reduce double chin. Stretch it properly and make a pout. We can feel the stretch here. And kiss means release. Okay, let's do it again. Relax, release. We can do 10, 20, gradually you can do it. This is really good exercise. Anytime we can do face yoga. If you have double chin, please do this. This is really good. Let's do it again last time. The proper way of doing it, you need to always sit straight, look up, hold, and make sure you're making a pout properly. Release, relax, lock your chin down, just relax. This exercise can spur the production of collagen too. This is really good exercise. It helps to reduce wrinkle also. It helps to stimulate blood flow. Very good exercise. Oh, kiss the sky and please make sure you're making pout properly. Yesterday, I showed you the difference between pout and fish pose. Let me do it again. How you need to make a pout? Try to touch here, tip of the nose, and release. This is your kiss pose. Now the second, fish pose. This is excellent for the slimmer face. A very good exercise, fish pose. Now, so this is the difference. Whenever you're doing any exercise in pout pose, please do it properly. Now let's do O pose. O pose is also my favorite pose. Very, very good for the double chin. And please do it properly. Stretch your face. Relax, release. Every pose, release slowly. Let's do it again, second time. You're making O. Stretch. Teeth should be hidden. Make sure about it. Release. Last time. Make O properly. Teeth should be hidden. Release. Let's do more exercises. Let's do dumbbell pose. Dumbbell pose is also my favorite pose. Very, very good for weight training. A very good face core training. Excellent exercise. Let's do dumbbell pose. How you're going to do it? Look up and your lower jaw will come to the upper side. And try if you can tuck your upper lips inside. Relax, release. It's same like dumbbell we are doing. We are doing weight training with our face, and this is excellent for sharpening your jawline. Very good exercise. In all the double chin exercises, it helps for your jawline too. Let's do this again. Look up. Let's do with count. Let's do with your hand properly. Let's do it. We will do it little slowly. Do it for 5 counts. That's okay. But do it slowly and do it properly. Relax, release. With hand movement, I think it is easy. So please do this. This is really, you can feel the stretch. This is very good stretch for your facial muscle. Similar like our body, we're exercising and we are enhancing our beauty with face yoga. Let's do it again. 5 count, or we can increase the count. Let's do it. Tuck your upper lip inside. Relax, release. Light massage, relax yourself. Look up, press your jaw muscle in upward direction. Okay, now let's do other exercises. Let's do some neck stretches, which is really good for double chin. Very good. You are going to hold here. Double chin क्यों होता है? The reason behind it, there is a muscle, platysma muscle, due to inactiveness. That's why we had this problem, double chin problem. And the second thing, water retention. So please make sure you're drinking a lot of water. In yogic diet, every half an hour, we should take half glass of water, which is very easy. Anyone can take half glass of water. Now let's activate this muscle, platysma muscle. You are going to hold here. Look up. Look down. 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 Look up and look down. Look up. Look down. Look up and look down. Relax, release. A very important stretch. Why we are holding it? To understand our muscle. This is really good exercise. Very good. If anyone have neck pain, please do this exercise. Do it little slowly so you can feel, we can feel relaxation. We can feel the result immediately. Okay, let's do it again. Hold here. Don't press it hard. Just hold here. Look up. 3, 4, 5, and relax. Hold here, right? Stretch it properly. Okay. Let's do side stretching tongue pose, which is also excellent pose. You can have some water. This is very good pose for double chin, very good for melting your fat. Excellent exercise. Let's do it. Stretch it properly. Release. Now you are going to hold it for 5 seconds. This is really good exercise for your mouth wrinkle. We all need lifted face, so this will really help you. This is excellent for your labial fold. Let's do it. Stretch it properly. Hold. Tongue plays very important role. You can change the shape. You can look more beautiful with this asana. This is really good. And one thing we'll tell you later, start doing this. Let's complete the round. We'll tell you a beauty secret, which is really good. Let's do this asana again. Hold. If you have wrinkle here, you can hold for 5 seconds. Gradually, you can increase it. This is really good. So let's do it. Try to look, change your look, and change your shape too. Relax, release. Last time. Release. This is very good to control double chin. Very good for strengthening your facial muscle. Excellent exercise. Please do it properly. Always chew your food properly. Digestion is very important. Digestion start with chewing only. The primary thing is how you're chewing your food. Do it very slowly. If you it help for our immunity. It help for digestion. It help. People are raising hands, so it is also distraction, but that's okay. I love this distraction, but I will answer you all after my session. Let's please stay focused. If you have any difficulty, we can discuss later also. Let's do exercises. Now we are doing pout index pose, which is also very good pose. How are you going to do it? Make a pout. Release. There are the two way of doing this exercise. Let's do the easy one. Okay, let's do it. Push it up. Release, relax. Let's do it again. Last time. Make it properly. Try. You can feel the stretch here. We can feel the stretch here. This is really good exercise. Let's do it again. Last time. Release, relax. Okay, now we'll do curl pose. Curl pose is excellent pose for the double chin, very good for supple, soft skin. Let's do it. Curl your lips inside and smile. Stretch it properly as much we can. Release. Let's do it again. Last time. Release. Let's do all the exercises again. Afterward, we are going to do 2 more exercises. Let's do all the exercises. First, the vibration kriya, very good for your face, very good for the cleansing kriya is kriya. All kriyas are for the cleansing process. This is very good for your face. Let's do it. You are making a sound. One more time. Very good kriya. Do it. It helps to stimulate your facial face. It is excellent for removing dead cell. Also a very, very good kriya. It activate our cell. It make us more energetic. Please do it. Now let's do first pose. We did balloon hold release pose. Make a balloon. Hold for 10 seconds. Release. Do this for 10 count, 3 times. A very good exercise. If anyone have acne, if you have pigmentation, you are going to hold it for 5 seconds and 3 rounds. 10 count, gradually you can increase it. Now kiss the sky, make pout properly. Look up and hold your facial feature. Very good exercise. Now we'll do O pose and we are going to hold it for 20 seconds. O. Don't stretch it more. O. Relax. Let's do dumbbell pose, 5 count. Relax. Let's do neck exercises. Hold here. Right. Relax. Let's do side stretching tongue pose. Hold for 5 seconds. Stretch it more. Out index pose. We are able to increase oxygen level with this exercises. Space yoga is really good. It is very good. It gives you full vitality. You look more attractive, beautiful. We can control our age. We can easily control 5, 6 years with space yoga. It tightens your facial muscle that make you look beautiful, young. It is really good exercises. Now we'll do curl pose. Curl your lips inside. Very good for facial hair too. Curl your lips inside and smile. Relax, release. Now, the beauty tip, which I would love to give you, very simple exercise that will surely help you to change the shape of your face. An excellent exercise. Anytime you can do it. Put your tongue up on the roof and smile. Smile properly, stretch it. Tongue up. Release, relax. This is very good for the double chin. Told you tongue plays very important role. These exercises are excellent exercises. This is very good exercise to control thyroid too. And no one will judge you that we are doing exercise. Everyone will think that we are thinking something or we are doing some work. You know, this is really good exercise. Let's do this exercise again. Put your tongue up and smile. Stretch it properly as much you can. Release. It's not a beautiful smile, but yes, it is beautiful. It is really good for your face. It enhances our beauty. Excellent exercise. Thyroid, this is really good exercise for the thyroid. You are going to do this exercise every day. Try to do this exercise for a minute. If anyone have thyroid, this is really good exercise. Now let's do this exercise again last time, and we are going to complete the round. Release, relax. Now we'll do lip lifting pose, which is really good. Stretch it and push it more up. This is very, very good to control the fat. I don't want to see your upper lip. Let's do it. Let's lift it properly. Release. Try to stretch it. This is very, very good. We can feel the stretch here. Very good for your jawline. Let's do this again. Try it. Please do stretch it properly. Release. You can stretch, you can take help of your hand. This is really good exercise, and you are going to share your views and comment. Let me know how you're feeling. Let me know what all the changes. Please do click your before and after picture. Face yoga is really good, and you don't need to go for cosmetic or anything. It is a natural way and the best way for beauty. Let's do it again. Release. Okay, let's do short recap. We'll do short recap. Not we are not going to take much time. Just short recap for your memory. First is balloon hold release pose. Kiss the sky. Hold it properly. O pose. Dumbbell pose. Tuck your upper lip inside. Side stretching tongue pose. Push it. Out index pose. Curl pose. Lip lifting pose. Let's do last exercise and wrap up today's session. We'll do same tongue pose, which is very good for the double chin. Look up and pull your tongue out. Release, relax, lock your chin down. And relax, release. Let's do meditation with Bhramari Kriya today. Bhramari Kriya is very, very good Kriya for relaxation. Very good for your body too. We'll tell you more benefits of Bhramari Kriya, but let's do it first. Please place your finger properly, your little finger, and your thumb. Flap of your ear, close, open, close, open, close, open. We can feel the sound. So continuously you're doing it. We are going to complete 5 count with this. Let's do it. And in pranayama, try to close your eyes. Let's do it. 5 count, deeply inhalation. Inhalation is very important. Fill your lungs properly. Exhale. Okay, let's do preparatory of Bhramari Kriya. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Release. Let's do Bhramari Kriya now. Okay, close your eyes. Inhale. Relax. Palm facing upward. Relax yourself. Feel the vibration. Feel your body. You may feel sense of serenity, happiness, peace. Relax your mind. Relax your body. Rub your palms. Keep it on your eyes. Please open your eyes. Again, you can rub your palm. Generate more heat. Take all the energy from the universe. Keep it on your face. Stretch your hand. Look up. Look down. Thank you so much. Really, thank you. Hopefully, you all enjoyed today's session, especially very good session for the double chin. You can pick any 3 exercise and start doing it, and let me know after 10 days. Definitely, you can see visible results with face yoga. Really, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Now, I request host if any questions are there.
Hi, Mansi. We've got lots of questions for you to answer today. So we'll start with answering questions about the 14-day workshop, since that's the highest number of questions. So I'm just going to share screen. So if you could just explain everybody, and then we'll take questions. We even have some questions from yesterday. So once we finish this, we'll go to that.
Okay, everyone, this is our 14 days of face yoga workshop. Face yoga is good for your beauty, enhancing your beauty, very good for plumpiness, double chin, acne, pigmentation, and also it is good for stress. We can easily reduce stress with face yoga. So day 1, we are doing very good exercises to control stress, to control emotions, to control behavior. You know, that is day 1 we are going to cover. Day 2, anti-aging massage. Anti-aging massage is very important. You need to learn proper technique, which we did also in upper lifting massage, light massage always, but we are doing many good massage for anti-aging on day 2. Day 3, toning and perfecting the shape. Very, very important. We are doing very good exercises to cover it. Now, day 4, exercises for cheekbone. If you want fuller cheeks, if you want slimmer face, we are going to do many exercises on day 4. Day 5, removing dark circle and puffy eyes. What is the reason of dark circle? What is the reason of puffy eyes? So let's do exercise with the proper benefit. We'll do that, and we are going to finish this. Okay. Now day 6, removing frown lines. Frown lines, we don't need frown lines. We are doing very good exercises. Day 7 is for the eyebrows and wrinkles. So day 7 is for that. Day 8, facelifting massage. Facelifting massage is very good for stimulation, for blood circulation. Very, very good for lifting your upper cheek. So day 8 is for that. Day 9, exercise, aging line exercise. How we can remove firm lines with the exercises. Day 10, my favorite, natural makeup technique without any makeup. I don't apply any makeup, no cosmetic. With face yoga, how you can look beautiful without any makeup. So we are doing beautiful exercises on day 10. Day 11, seasonal skin care. Summer, winter, we need to prepare. And the good thing is that I'm going to provide you diet with, you know, with all season, like seasons means with all skin type. If you have dry skin, sensitive skin, normal skin, with all skin type, I'm going to provide you diet. Day 12 is for hair fall. I will tell you what oil we need to apply, how we need to comb our hair, what exercises are excellent to control hair fall. Day 13, sinus and migraine, that we can easily control with face yoga. So day 13 is for that. Day 14, which is very good, balancing hormones. If it is imbalanced, we can face PCOS, PCOD, infertility, many problems. But day 14 will tell you the best exercises for balancing hormone, very good exercises for the facial hair. So this is my 14 days space yoga workshop. Will provide you detailed handbook, and this will be interactive session. So I can see you all, will guide you, we can do all the exercises together. In this webinar, I'm not able to see you. So do join 14 days workshop. That will be live interaction with each other, and will provide you the handbook. If anything, this is like we have shared the link also. You can register anything you want to ask. I'm always feel comfortable. So now I request host if any questions are there, and please do join our 14 days workshop too.
Thank you so much, Mansi. So I've put the link to join the 14-day program in the chat box. We only have exactly 50 slots remaining. So once the 50 slots,
I can't actually.
Can you hear me now? There? Yeah. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can anybody else hear me? Mansi, you're on mute. Can somebody reply in the chat box if you could hear me? If you can hear me? Yes, you can hear me. So, okay, it's a problem with Mansi's side.
Voice.
Mansi, everybody else can hear me. Mansi, everyone else can hear me. Mansi, can you hear me now?
I can't hear you. Okay, then but I don't know what is the problem. I think there is some problem in my laptop. I don't think so. Yes, sir. Okay.
Mansi, are you able to hear me now? Mansi, can you hear me? Okay, she's not able to hear me. So for everybody, I'll just quickly give you a few updates and then I'll call up Mansi and we'll do the Q&A. Do not worry about that.
Got it.
You can hear me now? Okay.
Okay.
Hello? So,
no, I'm so sorry.
No problem.
Okay.
So I've put the link for registering for the 14-day workshop in the chat box. We've got exactly 50 slots left. So we can, after 50 slots, if you are not able to register, so please, it's only because as soon as 50 slots fill up, we'll stop the registrations. So we request you to please go ahead quickly and register yourself. For everybody who's asked about hair fall, eye wrinkles, crow feet, all of this, as you can see, will be covered in detail in the 14-day workshop. A lot of you have asked about dark circles, acne, and pigmentation. Do not worry, we'll be covering it all in detail tomorrow, so do not worry about that. Mansi, so from yesterday, first I will ask you a question. Everybody had that question, how to do water pose. So you taught us water poses. So the question yesterday was, when is the right time to do water pose? And how many times to do the water pose?
Every exercise, either it is water pose or breathing kriya, you need to do it for 3 times for the best result. And any time we can do water pose. Anytime you can do. So do it for 3 times, 10 seconds, gradually you can increase it, and any time is okay.
Thanks, Mansi. For all of you who are asking about how can we do all the poses every day, do not worry. Mansi will be teaching us a quick routine tomorrow that we can follow once the workshop is over. Right, Mansi? Tomorrow we'll cover, right?
Definitely.
Great. So now I'll ask you, Mansi, today you taught one more thing which people have asked, a lot of people have asked about that. Got so many questions. People who've asked about diet plan, yes, diet will be included in the 14-day program. As Mansi said, it will be a skin type wise diet. Mansi, can we do Mahakriya, Kapalbhati and other exercises when we are on periods, when we have periods?
You can do it, but do it slowly. You can do it, no problem at all, but do it slowly. Kapalbhati, we did today very slowly. Mahakriya also you can do, but just do it little, take it little slow. That's okay.
Mansi, any exercises for droopy eyelids?
There are many exercises. There are 86 exercises that we are going to cover in our 14 days workshop, and there are almost more than 20 exercises for your eye. We'll tell you one exercise that you can do is binocular pose is very good exercise. You are going to hold it like this and with index finger cover your eyebrow. Stretch it, look up and down. The stretch is very important for your droopy eyelid. Look up and down. Look up and down. Look up and down. Hold it for 10 seconds. Do it for 3 times. This is really good exercise. Do it a little slowly so we can see the result in just 3 days. Very good exercise.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, Shraddha's asked, she gets wrinkles. Just a second. I'm so sorry. There's so many questions that the questions. Okay, I'll ask another question while I come back to Shraddha's call. How many times can we do Mahakriya at one go?
One is okay. You know, you can do it once. Like even आपको एक ही बार करना. Mahakriya is very intense kriya. So don't do it for 3 times. One is okay, but yes, twice a day is also okay. Different time. If you are overweighted, you can do before your lunch, and you can do before dinner also. But this is very intense kriya. This help to clear all the bad toxins from your body. So once is okay.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, Sunita has asked, can lemon be added to bay leaf water?
Lemon you can add with bay leaf. It is good.
Okay, okay. Now Shraddha's asked, she gets wrinkles on the side of eyes. Can that be reduced? I'm sure it can be reduced, right?
Definitely. And we'll tell you one thing. For the eye, you need to start by today itself. Do the eye massage, which I told you. You need to do it like this, half circle. Never do it like this, and never rub your eyes. No rubbing, and don't do it like this. Just half circle. You need to apply almond oil or aloe vera. This is the proper way of doing eye massage. Very good to control wrinkle also. Do it for 10 count. This will surely help you.
Thanks, Mansi. Okay. So, Mansi, where to place the tongue under the lips? That pose you showed, a lot of people have asked about it. Where to place the tongue? Yeah.
Now smile. Place it on the top. If you're going to do this exercise every day, shape will be changed. You will look more beautiful, more young with this exercise. Try to do this exercise for 30 seconds. This exercise, you know, we can do with 30 seconds and do it for 3 times. A very good exercise.
Thanks, Mansi. Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, could you suggest something for warts? Does face yoga help with facial warts? I know this question I've asked you earlier as well.
No problem. We'll tell you 2 exercises. Sorry, we'll tell you 1 exercise and 1 remedy, which is really good. First thing, any face wash, any mild face wash, whatever you're using, take rice flour and you can scrub. It is really good. Second, papaya and pinch of turmeric you can apply for the 3 minutes and wash it with warm and normal water. Now the exercise which will surely help you and you can see the result in 15-20 days only, but please do it properly. Squeeze tapping pose. Now the second, we did today a vibration pose, which is very good. Do these two poses, and do apply rice flour also, papaya also weekly once. Definitely you can see the result.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, could you please suggest something for open pores?
Open pores, there are the two things. Icing is very good weekly once you need to apply ice. And whatever massage we do, if you can take earbud, then you can just push it. You know, you can pull it. This is very good thing. Icing is good. Second thing, you can do steam also. See, steam is also very good. After the steam, you need to wash your face with normal water. That is the best therapy, best thing you can do. Try this and do all the exercises. You can see the changes.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, can face yoga help with, so a lot of females who are over 45 years of age are asking that if they already have set wrinkles, will face yoga still help them, and how often or after how much of practice will they see, or will they see any change?
It will take time, but definitely it will, for sure, it will help you. You can see changes in 3 months. Please practice it. Every day you are going to practice it. In a day one, we can feel the stretch, we can feel the glow. Glow hamesha rahega. It will remain same with face yoga. And secondly, exercises help to clear all the toxin. It tighten your facial muscle. In 3 months, if you already have wrinkle, in 3 months, you can see the visible result.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, the mantra chanting you said, what is the ratio of Om, A, Uma?
50% to 30%, rest now 20%. Will tell you vibration. Start from your navel and यहाँ पे खत्म होती है crown of your head. That's really okay if sometime it is okay 40 30 it is okay, but try with this क्योंकि यहाँ से आपका फर्स्ट साउंड निकल रहा है 50%. ट्राई टू कंप्लीट ऊ चेस्ट मा हेड. So 20%, sorry, 50 30 20.
Thanks, Mansi. Okay, I have lots and lots of questions for you. I'll just ask you a few more. A lot of people have asked about hair, one about hair fall and all, and one about facial hair, which I know we are going to cover very in detail in the 14-day workshop. Guys, please register for the 14-day workshop. This is covered a lot in detail. In fact, in the 14-day workshop, Mansi also shows us how to oil your hair and how to comb your hair.
This is very important.
So it's an amazing session. Bansri, I can't find. Oh yeah, can face yoga be practiced during pregnancy?
Yes, of course. You can practice. It is really good. It will for sure will help you. A very good exercise. We can't do, like body ke liye, it is very difficult to exercise, but face yoga is really good. Please do that.
Thanks, Mansi. Couple of questions. Can somebody do Mahakriya if they have slip disc?
But please do it slowly. And that's really okay. We can do Mahakriya. Take a help of cushion while doing this inhalation, exhalation. When you bend, we are holding our knees. Sorry. When you bend, you're coming and exhale. That's okay. That's really okay, but do it slowly. If anyone have problem, please don't stop your breathing exercises. Breathing exercises are really good to energize your body too. Very good to bring all the stamina. That's really good, but do it slowly.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, now since because we are all working at home, One, is there something that can help? And we've got all facing a lot of screen time. So anything that helps with relaxing eyes, that is one question. And second, also because sleep is disturbed for a lot of people, is there anything for puffy eyes? These two things, for puffy eyes and for eye relaxation, anything you would suggest?
You need to join my 14 days workshop. We'll tell you very good exercises, and tomorrow also we are doing eye exercises, or we did. I'm so sorry. So we'll
We're doing tomorrow for dark circles.
tomorrow we'll do. Now we'll tell you what you can do, because I understand we all are working with screen. So first thing, morning, whenever you wash your face, and wash your eyes too. Second thing, this exercise is really good. What you're going to do, hold here. This is very important point. Hold here and look up. And release. Just relax yourself. Let's do it again. Now the third, my best therapy, best thing I can advise you, apply ice in this area on your eyeball just for 5 seconds and release. Again, you're going to apply it 5 seconds and release. See the difference. We can see difference in 3-4 days only. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Mansi. So there's a question. Does face yoga help with white patches on face?
Definitely, definitely it is because of hormones imbalance. It is because of sometimes sun exposure also. It is because of poor nutrition also. Definitely it will help you. I request if you can share your picture to me, so I can send you the set of exercises and the diet, which will surely help you.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, Dr. Mohana has asked, should face yoga be continued throughout our life once we start doing it? Because, I mean, is it exactly like body, right? Will we gain facial fat if we stop?
No, no, please. I think it is very easy also. Please do it regularly. It is really good. We do apply cream. Why can't we do facial exercises? Why can't we do water poses? It is really good. Very, very good. जैसे movement हो रहा है वैसे ही facial movement हो रहा है. So please do these exercises. This will surely help you, and that's okay. If you miss some time, you can do it. But it is really good.
Thanks, Mansi. Mansi, a lot of people loved your face massage. I've got a lot of I've got a lot of messages about that. Everybody who's writing about pigmentation, acne, and dark circles, that is our topic for tomorrow. So do not worry, do not miss the class. And about the quick routine, both the things will be covered tomorrow by Mansi. So do not worry. Mansi, just two questions more. Everybody is asking about the 14-day workshop. It starts on the 31st May. I think the registrations are over, but I'll just check. I mean, I can't see it because only 50 slots were left, and I know some people registered. So it's starting on 31st May. It's 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. It's an interactive Zoom session, so it's not like a webinar. You will be able to see Mansi. Mansi will be able to see you. You'll be able to talk to her. So it's more of an interactive session. We only have the 14-day workshop between 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. There's no other timing available, but yeah, we do share recordings of all the workshops that we conduct. We do share certificate after all the workshops we conduct. The only difference is that the 14-day workshop is certified by Mansi, which gives you the, if you are a yoga instructor, it gives you the opportunity to start yoga, practicing face yoga, adding it to your practice. Any help, you can always reach out to us at sayhello@sarva.com. We're sorry because there are more than 750 questions. If we've skipped your question, please write to us. Do not worry. Mansi, is there anything that can be done to control double chin, or what are the poses that you showed today, out of the poses you showed today, is there anything which would help for double chin due to hypothyroidism?
Okay, we'll tell you one thing. For the double chin, all the exercises are good, and exercises are good for thyroid also. Face yoga is good for beauty, enhancing your beauty, and also good for thyroid, sinus, migraine, other things also, spondylitis also. Let me tell you what exercise you need to do. First, for the thyroid, you're going to hold here, look up and down. Platysma muscle, look up, it activate your platysma muscle. Now the second thing for the thyroid gland is here, center of your neck. Place your finger, make a pout. You know how to make a pout. Look up and press your gland. This is the best exercise to control thyroid. You are going to do this exercise for 21 days and let me know. This is the, we can easily cure thyroid with face yoga. So please start doing this Kriya. 10 seconds, gradually you can increase it, do it for 3 times and you can see the changes.
Thanks so much, Mansi. One last question for the day. If someone has a very slim face and they want to make it a full, like they want to have fuller face, any suggestions for that?
All the exercises, you're lifting your facial fat up, so no need to worry. We'll tell you one exercise that you can do is balloon pose. Make a balloon and hold. Okay, now in this exercise, smile. And release. Let's do it again. And release. This is a beautiful asana. It relaxes your facial muscle, are very good for lifting your facial fat up. And with that, you can take honey water. Honey water is very good for plumpy cheeks. Excellent thing. Honey water always in warm water. So please don't take honey with hot water. It's very, very good if you're going to take honey water for 7 days and doing by this pose, you can see the result.
Thanks so much, Mansi, for a wonderful session.
Thank you, everyone. Really, thank you. See you all tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Stay happy. Take care.
Thank you, everybody. I've put in the link for the 14-day again in the chat box. We also request you to please fill in your forms for your questions to Malaika. She's going to be coming tomorrow. I will ask 5 or 6 people out of everybody to answer, to talk to Malaika and ask your question yourself. I mean, out of the responses we get, we'll select and we'll ask for 5 people to ask the question directly to her. We'll see you tomorrow. Please do not miss the session.